Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arya Ramadan from class 1 PCMB. In our daily life, we must find a lot of dread, starting from the dread on bifurcate, battle, and others. Basically, all types of connection system require nuts and bolts. The dread itself is a spiral structure that circle the outside of an object. Dread also have many types because dread also have various functions. First, buttress dread are dread with ends that are shaped like sawtooth. The dread is usually used on workpieces that are used as lock, so that the workpiece hooks tightly. Number 2. Triangle dread. The triangular dread is the dread that is most often used in nuts and bolts. This dread can be made using a tap, snake, lathe, milling machine, and others. Triangular dread are divided into two types named Whitworth dread and dread metric. Number 3. Square dread. One of these types of dread has a rectangular end. This square dread usually functions as a support for heavy load. This dread also has a higher efficiency rate than the trapezoidal dread. Number 4. Round dread is one of the kind of dread have a threaded surface with a semicircular shape. This round dread is usually used on workpieces so that they can move lighter and smoother. Number 5. Trapezoidal dread. This trapezoidal dread is usually used power transfer object so that the rotation of the dread shaft is smooth and easy.